ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso po near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
Hadin bagi pajba kila ujor halor ka jing Orpait jong ka Jingkieng ha Sonapur ka Sorkar Jylla marmar kala Phah tokit ha ka National Highway Authority of India bad ban Phah Maramot no mardor khnang ba kani ka Jingkieng kan am penthut ha ka lait kawan jong ki kali ki baju ya lingba baro ar pusau kenta Haga jingya keren bat kilat pathai khubor usambut menteri rangba jong ka Jylla uba preston tunsong uli athu baga jing Maramot ye gani ka Jingkieng kala sedang bala perking ru ye ki kali ban ya artli ha ka jo kapor lingba gani ka Jingkieng.
The finding is immediate repairing has to take place, and now they already started. And number two, restriction of movement of commercial vehicle has already been in place, and the district administration is full swing for that. And the National Highway Chief Engineer, National Highway, Government of India, they are on the job for the repairing of this road, the bridge. More than 45 days. That is the assurance given by them. The CE of National Highway project, we call him a project director. So he assured us that maximum will be about 45 days repairing work will take place. The question of new construction does not arise. It's only a repairing work. Well, you see, this is an old history because that bridge, that particular bridge was constructed by BRO. Then BRO handed over to National Highway. So more or less it is maybe like that Dwarksui bridge. But of course the damage is not that much. That's why they have, the expert came all the way from Delhi, team of people from National Highway and from the Ministry of Road Transport. And then the conclusion is immediate repairing has to be done. And maximum will be about maybe 45 days, they'll be able to complete it. And then restoration of movement will take place. So, see, externally when you look at it, it looks very old. But I'm telling you, the expert has already done the exercise of plus, minus, and all the detailed structures, whatever done. So that's why now the restriction of way is already in place. Those who goes and comes via this bridge at Maramot. No, that right now it is still not there, because as I said to you, there are a lot of formalities to be done. In fact, I've already asked my team of engineers to work out if there is any other option where we can, bypass the existing main dam bridge. Right now they are on the job, but at the same time our focus is for this western bypass. If western bypass is constructed, I think quite a number of commercial vehicles will not fly via the main dam bridge. See, right now we are at the stage of land acquisition. We are already in the stage of land acquisition, and then we have already asked both the district collectors, East Kasil as well as Riboy district, to start the proceeding of land acquisition. I think work order will be issued very soon. Very soon they are going to issue the work order from the ministry, and once that's done, then they will start the work. And again, this one will not take much, maybe hardly maximum 1 year. They'll be able to complete for the construction of the bridge. It's, yes, you can say new bridge, but what they do is over there is in the same alignment, in the same bridge, they are reconstructing the entire stretch of that particular bridge.